Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to change the band on your Phi Series pet collar. I've had this Phi collar for my dog Murphy and my dog Millie for about a year now. Amazing collar, but the collars over time get dirty, so I bought some replacements, and there weren't really any instructions I can find on how to remove the band easily. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. All right, so here we go. So to remove it, all you want to do is, of course, make sure the shackle is undone. Now normally when it goes around your pet's collar, of course it's wrapping around this direction. What you want to do is move these brackets as far as they'll go this direction. Once they're in that position, all you really have to do is take your finger and pull towards yourself, and the top piece will come out and remove just like that. Now that we have this piece, you're going to want to do the same thing and make sure you rotate it as far back this direction, and then just pull back with your finger. It'll pop out, so now we just have the tracker with the band removed. Okay, now we're going to install the new band. So you want to make sure the leash ring is on the outside towards the logo. Installing is actually a little bit easier. All you have to do is line up the little grooves and then just push it on, and it'll pop into place, and there it is. And on the other side, again, just kind of get them in line, push them on, and that's all there is to installing a new band. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to install a new band on your Phi collar. I would recommend with your old collar attaching it just so you don't lose the other piece. And again, these get pretty dirty and pretty stinky. I throw these in the washing machine or even your dishwasher, and they usually come out looking pretty new. So I'll put a link below if you're thinking about purchasing a Phi Series collar. They're amazing, and with the discount code below, you can get a free activation if you enroll in one of their plans. So again, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.